abantu.
Sky TV iragari abantu twakutangira urubuga rw'ishingiro izo biro mushanju byo kwezo kwa mwenda umwaka w'2024. Program y'iki ni kikaho bari wa mukaga umukashije bugashayina mpaka sha mukaga kandi Boaz wa Mongolia umujuzi umustudios nyine abagenye abatukire abutura bentura ibakuruga nyine commissioner wa RDC mu office ya president umwami Fred Bamwine wabona kashari South mu district ya Mbarara mbare cyabe yasigaye ndemwami
kashari Mbarara kashari Mbarara Bwana ndakwita Mbarara nateko munyakashari
tini nashibina janti
tare yasigaye kashari ni kashari
Mbarara north Mbarara na ya Mbarara district icyabe yasigaye
tare yasigaye Mbarara muri Mbarara
Mbarara district and district yuni jali cha that is the distinct, that's the difference. Nyine umukuru Tonawe John no enero naraga gusomora umakasese ejuni wenzori tuminaha no mukuru Moses Mwagaba twiga kashari lawyer na bunyako muri Mbarara district cyabe yasigaye tutegereza umwami natamba Edward narago musifo society umuhintungamo konka tutagatandikire ishonga y'izuba haramakuru mabi agakira kubaho agupfa kwa minister w'ihanga bw'ishonga ziri kwirinda bonari busara amateke umushogu naro mukazogo ntwara bonari bo film amateke nabasoro bwenu twaferwa minister kitari cyungi bamukaga kuri bakira tweriza ibyo nabikukubiri as you can see ikishani cha sara amateke n'ubwo about Minister of State in charge of defense. So akari na minister w'ensho mazabana n'eminyeto konka akamara yaterwa omu defense. Ishero mshabamana muri Sorogo ni kingmaker, opinion leader ni sentazini konka bwenu umuharakwa yaturgati y'umisho ahamya kamtu yasigaho ishe or elderly enough konka bwenu ruhangana kwateka taratwire myaka muhabanzo bunari Korea. We only condole with the family. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Omukuru bamwe abanyarwanda batere nabyo
nenda kutwara mucyo gukora musi abaturukirize nabo kutureba umwena ari Sky TV kandi mungire mutano na nyine kushashana family y'ingenzi Sarahati kandi abiye mwana wanje utukumanyana nubwo ntakamanyire okufa kwe cyamwita na muzeyi mateke wabira umushije mukuru ngurusi ukamwe n'ibintu efuyishi yankore ngo rutengera ntarubita nkuru mbwino nicyo kurebera ibintu byensi abantu bamwe bebigendesereza tukajote nankana warambanze ushanga umuntu ukutekateka ngo umukuru ujashe mikoro ko banza kufa yo muhabana bamurabo mbwino kanta handi nirekera munonga abazire banje bakakura abe tutamu bibi kwe mbekensi ngangire nje ntagwiseka bwo bazira bakanzika nkaranga kanyamba nabanye nabazika so cyo nishasha nabo nabantu bona baferiri wabantu bani namarakire ntakwiye kuno mushitoke kitu cyankore abo kuba hati dokete gendo nendetero kutambura munonga namwe nyangutine hatine district ya Uganda ntakashira ninga region ya Uganda konka omuchango kinkwenda kwebazimwa abishitwe cyakuno kandi kinkwenda muyongire mani mujungu baketa attitude to work muri nyankore baniki umwete gukora ingira itucishwe cyakuno tubetikinye nk'umugisha ngo buri muntu natakuza kureba ngo family yabo nicyo kurya haze kitari bicweke bindi nambuye no ihari ry'ukura abanyankore bumba teka ngo ni government iki ko abanyankore government iki yahira abanyankore iki yes kunga iki ry'umuringore timo kukiziremo kushanga umuntu nkamutataka n'imyaka 9 na mukaga kunga shayi 12 shanga yimukira ari enkacu cyembuze nazireba ningarye mu bakozi naremba kubakama anyake hato ndicwe kibindi kiri mweni mwakunde bane mbashaba murebuke buri zuba muyibuze iki kinabasa gukora ekikurita ibikuryomuka nesente mu mpare icyo ngicyo kiratambuza Uganda kikadinda mu
so ati cyabega nebetorire ugakamukore waturitera nona John na Nwagaba
aze ibirabo turi nyangore nyangore n'ibiconjo
okay waturitire biconjo
konganta kabahire no muteko kwanza mureke mwaje
kashe ibintu baby'ibiconjo kwanza tuba twabikorerera
kwanza bacita accountability hati kurgeramo ukwanza cyo kozire
ukazaga tutanka TV wayishanga program John na Nwagaba bakajya banje
hati nyenda kwanza kumanya followers twine bange aho kunda re followers ko kwingana nje kwantu mune cyumukozi
yakiri cyuru yabubatse wabashanga kuba kwa bayangire
ene habo bari omwe commissioner wa some of the president Manfred and kuno muri agamba ukugira ngo ubundi notegateka unanka warabanze kufa kandi bani baba abakazi bo bakunda ikintu iki
kora butaba
wana kuri ya roni waza kore cyapa kitaza mwati banki ko twarita kiri bamara kufa zagaragaye n'abana nakateka ngo mwara baze abakozi naturally bategeteka ngo
kora butaba
kora butaba jana abantu batere no musi
muri kurunje kaira ka agenda wike mu tutalahamwe tubaramucya simano kunda program yenu indeed aba kisora aba fero sasa nabo fero member of parliament and state minister now kanda taka kuzire muno shiri aho because at 50
she was 50
at 50 no watch rumoto it is very bad ohireho kandi na ministry yo gizere kizubu feyibe ba state ministers bayo babiri in one term kandi it's not good really oli macho dogo akafa tragically ito musirikale we hatogu nawe of course tukamanyire konkano shot in natural death
esa office batemo mwetango
sasa aba family ejo ihanga mugume ahali alert kwa trena mpox haro restrictions are movement between DRC and Uganda Africa so far halo amahangi 18 again mpox
very serious
including Uganda yes DRC yatandikire immunization no lito ba border ndo tuliyo wira bwingi na wecho na doses nazo zizire ninche konkana botu bakatandikire tubakatandikire so mwerinde muhure ubutumwa bwa Ministry of Health bwaterine na endware ejo abukuba nayo nimbi kandi kuba tutagendeza sokeruka nayo kandi tugarikira mu lockdown aho kuba Uganda so far no turataka tungira umuntu no mwafuire na alko muno but we have around 6 cases so mpox is serious our RDC commissioner wa RDC ejino murumo yabo kunkanurura murumo hateka baminje bakore bayenda numirumo y'umuntu wa government kuterera abantu kwerinda an epidemic like that one so nyoni ndio ni ngoro murumo ugusimiriko n'ukoro abandi mwirinde mpox then tasemirire kubaho alert yona ya insecurity na terrorism and you take it for granted when Uganda imuno mano mukunda ibintu bimazire kubaho abajungu bakatusigakara bizire batu like 2 times baratugambire hano mwerinde deni abantu ba gavumenti bakaba barateramu bakagira bati bari mu AC bikabaho abamerika tubasobora gambira abantu ngo nyabaraho hariho iki so abamakandisa
bakagira ngo buri terarati emwe ikane tukanga kugira ngo twatukoze ikiryo cy'ibisiye
kandi bishyagatabira ibintu so kandi baratutira kandi baratutira bakakora keretera rati batera abana bituma kumyana bafu inwera abandi bakabura nata bakizana bakora tera rati batera CPS Kampala hagati ya town military yone Kampala military police SFC bakatutera Kampala so hatebi abantu bagamba just bimwiguta mwerinde obora uri mukanisa orarora bago utakujetegereza tax park hano mbarara kasese mucekinje abantu mbacekinje habukuba terrorism ziri tureke kuguma tukole ibintu bino saho bakumara kubaho ikintu obukitakabireho also things are fine things are not fine ikitweke kitulumu kinu security nekoro gwayo UPDF nekoro gwayo na ba government bakoro gwabo nimwe abantu baricyo mukoro mu rwanda mwe bari mu
abanyuganda ikintu cyakita kumukwata ko director mu runaka John hati wagera uti John hari abantu bari mbahande kitaka songora na program tipo no wakiri konka ikintu cyakita kutagetinga John azaindi
barinde no barabasekorana bajyagareka bateye
konka John cyarugamba azana ngo ninkitaha leadership yitu obwebembezo butwaretsira gwa NRM orunyanko ndikira guntega nsibire when we demystified power mystification niki
ati no gambo rujungu obwagira Kampala urunyanko rugume okarwana kugara kasari kugara hari Uganda bya waremo tochumana na runyanko lebagwi
NRM okujungurira
n'umurakuzi
kuyajungurire obushoborozi
kandi ni mukitindisa n'umugambo
kuyajungurira obushoborozi abantu batandika kureba ngo twena nturabamo ako kunabe ninkura okoshanga umuka akucara mukungu w'ikiriko umwe ari n'abashije 80 abatwara gombora
niko nabukona
abashije 80 abebe mbona tino kwenda kumujeme kandi bakumuna bakoma kunga tino kwenda kwiruka tino kwenda kumurwana kunga hatenare mukuyizire obwebembezi yabujungurura yitinga n'uburi umwembezi toro kitara munonga
zake narumba abapolisi bayinembuye
nkora icyo rukwenda hati ikintu cyaragiremo mwami ebyara kugamba kugira ngo baba kugira ngo yegendesereze ntabasa kuba kabi mbwisho no ufirwa cyo wayigendesereza ukaguma burire ukukira ku kibazo ya mamisho ukagenderamo konkecho nabwa obwebembezo butwatwire nka government obwa maziramani abebembezi na n'ubugabe bw'abantu ubugabe noshanga abana shahe mu kashishe bari mu katawuni baregera impare bari za rudo bari mujakure n'ubugabe bwabo kweli
abantu bari namushya
rero bakansa bagamba ubugabe no mangu wakwata amugati
no mayumo movement no tenga democracy kwite njoka kwa kugere bo mu kibuga ngo tajita ngo banzo gambire nyineka kandi nawo kwaragirebe
yes nabanze
ayitefamita banze amayise LC one chairman
yes
LC one chairman yataka kiko ka LC
bashiteme
enjokeji
kabagite
enjoka
babanze bakitense
neyenda kuri embuzi na neyende ngoma enjokeji neyenda obo enjokeji cyo yende ngoma noje kurore kiraje
ikizubaho nukire
aha ho ninjeza niwe John katwikirize ngo demokrasi negene nehinduka
yes
ya Uganda kwe aha LC1 neberho ekanyire nangwa kuzaka LC5 aho za aba MP ebe yo kutugira ekikabu na president yebagana point democracy kugira ngo hate bamwine yarangira ati yenda kuba president ashanga SFC kumira hakwe
kashinu utakwenda gukunda
motoka nagisero nego
mwana watakutahayo atakuzayo
utakwenda gukunda
kandi yataha munatachishobora bamwine numunona nabura so akakashongana kakuru okuyo umwena yate eje office ya Minister of what State for Defense baba jihiri kaba mwine na John bagende no mwetango
no banyuma ubu buke bajya
kugeba mwetango office mwe kwita abantu babiri cyuma sanga igentebe bagenage kandi bagenabise no mwetango hada wayizi ni shasha na
ngora kari wareba
ikonga kana argo muri iyo office yenye
kana argo
same very office
hada wayizi ni shasha na ikaya Firmon Mateke
ukokora yo
imwe no mweta mateke konka umufumbira bafumbira mu mweta mateke so ni shasha na ikaya Firmon Mateke ofero bumuhara nko kubagamba atana habanza bato anyo witoko tuweze kuzika mukuru wanje wa Tatento myaka 25 no wabe naje kureba mzee wanje no wataharwire ko kutera nko umuntu ese kandi habaho ki wakireba konko bire naje kumushura
ati yamura
mzee simwa speech akagera ahasumu katongeza sumu kaziko ko nkunguwana umure kazo so icyo ni ikintu kikuru kandi uri kanda kuwagamba ngabakazi be expecting abashija kubatanga kufa in fact the expectation y'abakazi yikiri ukushenerere ko ahubwo muko yoko wafigo mukazi umushija ko kufigo mukazi ubura nubwo kumanya kiri iki Bible yagambire kandi bombe bahinduka umuntu nushanyara ubura umuryo bukire ashimwe kwanza afu mushija rero hija korete uki umukazi atejo ejeje koja ngo habanza nanye kacha kwe gutabukiye bashije ngo kubanza kufa kazi ni batwita roki konka waje kuyafuire nagire mucece kibuzo nakirigaho nareba ngo nyine nabishimiye kubanza ahubwo kuba it is hard paper it is very hard so ari bikuta kwenda urebe konka mwe n'ibyaki
ndije
nibyije baho ubereba namisho gawe ureba utakwasa kubihindura but they are very painful.
Okay babare mwagaba reka tumere mukache then tuje tugambe cyaturi to mukashirikirizo
Sky TV irakari abantu
olususu lw'omwana wange lwetaaga endabirira eyeesigika kyenva mmonaza kyogero vitamin E soap ate ne mmusiiga kyogero vitamin E pink jelly okusobola okukuuma olususu lwe nga lulamu omwana wange n'anyirira ne yeeyagala n'abeera musanyufu buli kaseera ate ne famire yange nayo tukozesa kyogero products y'ensonga lwaki tunyirira abazadde tukozesa kyogero products omuli cocoa butter jelly and soap, aloe vera jelly and soap ne non-perfumed jelly. Clean your skin ng'okozesa kyogero products. Asangibwa mu maduuka ne supermarkets okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna.
Itwaba Mirini ya Musako 2012 Limited nitumanyisa bakasitoma baitu ngutubinire obuhereza obwa voluntary savings, fixed deposits, joint accounts, institutional accounts, group accounts hamwe n'ezindi nyamwingi okutunga obuhereza bwitu aha mobile money nyiga star emwe mukagitano star mukaga star ishatu hash okuratirire endagiriro ninga tushanje a office zitu a Church Community Center omurembo rwambarara ninga amataji gaitu omuri Rugaga, Ibanda, Kabuyanda, Kinoni, Ngarama, BSU hamwe na Ntinda branch. Ninga tuterera note mushanju 82 chinana na mushanju oba note mushanju note mukaga ashatu na mushanju nkaga na mushanju ana na mukaga.
yagurira Zuku TV decoder na satellite dish erizoba aha kabeyi kace emitwaro 89 zonka kandi Zuku decoder aha mitwaro 8 zonka rero shemererwe obwo rwerebera channels nungi nka series ezabana music amahure agaloko hamwe n'agaheru yihanga n'ezindi nyingi yerebere Zuku Smart aha mitwaro 12 zonka Zuku Smart Plus aha mitwaro 16 Zuku Classic aha mitwaro 25 Zuku Premium aha mitwaro 35 yagite aha Zuku erizoba buzima oshemererwe.
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Sky TV irakari abantu twagaruka twakwakira umuprogram yitu ishengero rwa Mukaga mu studios abakuru baryaha umwami commissioner wa RDC Fred Bamwine turi nawe John nawe sinwaga hamwe na Tamba Edward ni we twegitaho wacerwa mu program abantu bahenda musomo seconds 20 then tugumizemo
wari munga Mamboas na nyakitangirira buriya abakutureba tubakinga Sky TV kubakira my sincere apologies no manyimuntu no telekanso gendo mukamana wakwemera kukaho kuzasona ndigantunga mu igwesam hiccups konka so glad to be here nashimirwa kumikinga panelist batahi banje na munonga commissioner mwami bamwino wabiho RDC bitu wantunga mu kandi my good friend so I'm happy to be with you.
Thank you. So abakutureba elizoba ntwenda kwitegereza intekateka ezirimu zigendo misho umukwitegura karuke 2026 isabiteje urukwembera bambega ba polisi Major Tom Magambo akavugana umuhabaye mukuru wa government umuramuzi Jane Francis Abodo baganira ahabyakubasa gukorwa ukwitantara akavuyo n'urwaro mu karuru kubahereze bavugana chairman wa Electoral Commission umuramuzi ndijo ya Simon yabakama yoreka ngo abantu batabangura karuru abandi bagura bateze bakaruru byona bitera karukabura okuba karungi mbenu batuwereka nkabambega nka bakutebekanisa karuru kandi nka side eruku rwanse bihagaro office yo wa government ngo betegwire kwamyanga akaruke nk'ibirana mukaga kaba karungi mwitandwe na kwebuza akaruraka aku Electoral Commission hirwe sente nyingi nakabasa kutana aho n'uburu tugira akarukito butosha katabangurwa ki nigihe kikita omwami natamba ayosere ali observer omu bururu witu kutaputana kaniyo akarukito koroga katana kena cyane na mukaga kusira 2021 ni bintu ki ebyuka kundaho ni bintu ki byo takakundaho
aho bari munonga bwa really this topic discussion yanjeje maybe batakumanye kwa n'ekitongole kya SOWIPA Southwestern Institute for Police and Advocacy kandi n'ekitongole ekijyo bya police and we have been engaging tuza munongo bitu byo bururu two observing bururu na semerundi eshatu obururu eshatu obungu kwitabira nka coordinator wa district yona kuba naribuza ibyo bururu kutambura nangwa na district says twihimuriza mu nitungamo konga Mamboas every election obwira obunye bizongera think ari bere any improvement nubwo yongera kusikara abaki abo kugira ngo politics abanyarwanda bingi tanje kuzireba ngo korondemwe kandi nanabebembezi bitu abareda barumu ababimu omubembero bururu abamwete bakorekere passion. It's like Bayun was serving a master wow because no Mayango Electoral Commission appointed by Commissioner in Diabakama now appointed by the President. So no shangango no bari mu offices of the Electoral Commission harbo omuntu answerable to. So shangango cyaguma kugira ngo bateka ngwende batamwe kugubwabo gukora ikibashimira bakora. So oza kureba for example kakarura kabwire twatandikira primaries no manye cyabire primary za NRM isheka kemera yatumurika abantu bona bagera kibatera karuru actually
n'abatari mu register
n'abatari mu register nakwese example yantungamo manya akaruka kantungamo primaries bakakahindura bajya mu twakongerayo ahubwaki it was the first day ubu narebera ntungamo iri kuva cooperated abantu bakashomba abantu babiharubari babihara kajara babihara shenge babarika bashiko municipal akaruka tangira kusisikara so manisa toko tinye ko expecting any good product after that akavuya kongana ku general elections ntureba oshanga muharuka ndetse aba filed yes abantu bona bari nominated konka hariho this core team area higuro ko kureba kujya tungamo ntwenda yo Eastern Uganda muri success ntwenda yo oshanga ngo abantu tubine freedom yo kujyana na participate mu karuru bakumanya ngo bazakase kayamu so ningira ngo kino mu muhango munonga kureba mutwatereza karurana hariho no kwasa kwemera kajya tinkantunga mutigenda yo maybe opposition yet we are in democracy dispensation at the end of the day ukashanga ngo banda bari no bakurira karurana bari no bagize kureba ngo umuntu wo kiyagamba nikitekwa kora kuriba amahene gatera karuna gakora kumusako nigatera kabu nyowe nindeba kukigama kumukireba amwamba mwine ndende bakubi actually nabara disaba no shanga bari no biruka nabone baroda karu ahizanye karuka nyine abo amwamba wazina n'abatureba abo natewe kikanga ba biva wa RDC one of the RDCs of district yanjye by then tinza kumugambizira akareta opapura rukomere ya box umuntu wangambire actually no police kajya twuka yantere smart Edward Kacharengege ati somebody has just dropped so ureba nguriyari arho abantu arho mbete mafia abo kushisha system yitu hata nanye Edward wabayashanga ndio mwana wo munakuzi goko konka nyina mageze goko basa kujya mu imbasa kwembera abantu bandi mucanga tinyine that space yo kugira mu imbasa kuzaho nyesimbe ntine sente nsinga karura abantu babaje akarwa ka Uganda right nawo ntine sente chugumere kugira ngo za kwesimba n'abandi basinge so haza sente zo kuleta kavuyo oshanga umuntu yija especially incumbents hata barumanye bazagaruka nabakuja no kutiya bwa sente umuzadrone kujani batambara na sente bakoziga Edward yes
that's to pick up tip
no bazi
Insura nestera
Edward yes
one oreba shishamba
yeah
democracy yitu iri ne gukora umuko kwihangana no gukora na democracy z'amahanga ndizo gukora wareba cyane cyambo nyoni nyenda kwimagine ngo abanyarwanda abantu abatori mbari mu ntebe Labour president, Labour members of parliament, Labour councils, majority in NRM. So with the imperfections here and there, kungechele changu chikaragabanya Uganda bato ni mbako vembe. Is that a wrong conclusion?
To me as Edward, it's a wrong conclusion. Abachi abo nchoko yeberaka rukitwa kawa. Ihangalito naziza mungu ushanga bata honka embago. Abantu baberundya karuru omazima. Karikiria. There is no reason ihangane basakto nka njete kimwe kushanga mahe garubura hamwe omuyanga jora okashanga nkantunga district even where the president comes from okashanga ari mama za marionka week akaruka irize to me njinji masanga karurako katibwe kubi people there are some people who suspecting maybe kuja muhaza kuba rights konka abantu babemeye bakatera karuruka bo kurungi owasinga bakamushoma nakabe atagoruze abwache bintu kebyo
iyo election observer turukenda iyo election observer kakarebe w'uburu wareba mbega mukuru wa police Major Tom Magamba aine director of public prosecutions Justice Abodo bakwe committee ngawe karuka kuba kare ko busingi
yes
what did you pick from that commitment?
I'm not surprised aho kuba ibintu byo bivuga actually Uganda okugamba ntwasagamba no bya kubango kurura police ombire bwo bururu nazo hajya tubukimwe cyo mu koda kuri cyakora at the end of the day natereba na police yonka eliyo ne tambura nabo abakora barut staffing. There is one time we just a police person with somebody kada wainari bakija no bururu batambura mu motoka konka abantu bagabo bakibwirimo. So it was wrong observers, of course ours is eyes on, hands off. We may not stop something. Konka abantu bakategeje moto kebiti.
Thank you.
But the giviti kore akuba kandi mechirumu polisi ujwe uniform real iyo umuntu umunyarwanda gushashura sente umushoro bakagura uniform ukashanga ngo niyo jwire or you know is quoting somebody who is not even known in the system of government are you naza kubarista
John Electoral Commission Chairman DPP Director CD bagera ngo nebenda kutangira akabi ne kunsanze akaro abona ko government I want to assume ngo kama mount news wo mukaro then how about umuntu abayitabira mu karuru ngo umuntu opposition ni naro umuntu akugera ngo akaba kitero mu karuru nogera ngo enako yakuba inene ningana bariya bo bakabamba meeting ngo there are issues to address
kandi issues nzubura issues tuzikubura ni yenda kubanza kutereza obasuwepa oyana agamba aha commission no kutora no kwayo unfortunately taro hihangere kuchikora different no kubagamba nibyango no country USA Germany France UK Ghana Kenya Tanzania still akachiko kuteza bururu nikatora no sitting president
and how is it vetted
so my vetting kandi ubu bukabeireho umuri Kenya horiyo no gamba tukarora unube hagura musherera group na chebukate ine group mu vetting kaira secondly tubino obururu obwa incumbent atorine electoral commission incumbent yasin so that's a weak argument. We saw it in Gambia. We saw it. We have seen it everywhere on this continent. So issue kugira ngo manya ogun waktora electoral commission ebikabiri byakara oira abantu bagumana notes karicula muno byahindukire notes nziguma electoral commission kandi karicula mukahindukire nga note number 2 so even bisuba because we have seen countries omuntu appointingire chairperson na electoral commission yona kandi bagarika bamusinga nawo AIGP Tom Magambo Lady Justice Abodo na Justice Simon byabakama umurumo gubakora no murungi nikitaho umuntu oli oya very victim yeso ya very victim bayo bakugambira ngo bamanye byabireho ohireho at one point or another bikaba substantive enough okugire byahindura ko nkati nibenda kubisotinga is it bad kugira ngo ente yawe isirwe ndwareti it kugambira ngo ugietangire nari ugigeme bicirikara which for me that is a good idea. Number 2, electoral violence neso kwaho mbururu voice the answer is no.
Why?
Inizo songa ngwenda kwa songa yo kubanza ruling party no vegeta resistance. Resistance ibara taka the name itself itwe batweta resistance to definition ya whether we are resisting good or bad things is for another day. So omupate harimo kigambo resistance. Who are you resisting? You are resisting bad governance when you are outside, but you are inside. Who are you resisting? So hitwe izo tulunga moto ya Sad Memorial anasomire in Kasese. We struggle to imagine. You keep struggling. Sad started in 1973. Up to now, they are still struggling to imagine. So hitwe we are still resisting. No to
is that a puzzle? Nari that is a great.
You know kugira ngo norora utukaturi mu kisaka. Tuido mu government twaguma turi mu kisaka. Na president of hakugire byabahagera ati enkore ya feki ekera no hekerwa kandi kuri mu government. So ni kwani manje ni ngambera itwe epato we kwetwa resistance violence so kuboramo abara DC umma district choko na abantu ba security no bakukira yikora violence te kuri gumbe simbiri RDCs omoraba ntujyo kujyo mu Karuru ba RDC mu district zero hot spots tutayine ba RDC be Kisigi muri nyanko litinguma ko nguketa aha turi ntuzana ngo umuntu mwamuappointinga okuba yakurusinga ku rugo mwenari ku rugo mu FDC ngo mwamuappointinga ngo nkaito ecwekero rubeje nawe agenda tunja kasara tasoko bayontaro appointment yazba RDCs oberabe takamanyirwe KPIs niza okuba tukuzumanya nizimanya abantu bakebunga tubakumanya ba RDC ringitiriyo umugaruru akawira inyonga mbina most of them bakana barwana waracha 90% bakora neza simiri kubana uko umugaruru uwo muntu amanya ngo barasha 90% umurumo guro abazikize bona bakabinga
ngurudinga amadapo muhina
kana amadapo muhina wenka kando wisinjiro abatumazi abaradisi badira ngo ku defendinga government radio na TV ngo murumo no bugwina bona bakavinga bona asimwe muhangi ori wa bushenyi hata bakora sese kwa mzunguzi so baradisi bagiye kubasubira tukore iki ukuguma murumo tukore iki they don't know so I am telling you kandi kaningamba abana banje at least I am talking about my friends baradisi bagiye ko mbajugera hakatangi kondere they don't know what to do they don't know
no jenda wana abantu
I am telling you kana na kwete so they just don't know now no never jugera hakati baradisi na use and college ntungire 98 government ni defending ngwangu yota nabaje mu karuru bakora ibintu bitasubira corona baradisi abakwija
Jonathan Kagereho wagira ngo as long as mwine element ya resistance omungora yanyu violence ni baho mu karuru then NRM yemerera bintu bena one of them is democracy then hatu democracy ne biri nkai wabona gira ngo violence is part and parcel of your DNA
nyona kubuza resistance omupate bakweta NRM eringa ne ukora kinema ni search what does it symbolize
and what is justification ya yone
nyo ndio nkugambera ngo ekinte cyabamu resistance tikikuburamu violence eki I am not talking about NRM as a party you horror resistance among violence stamereho because nibitekwa kugenda hamwe you are resisting what nyeje buzo kanyo nyangi
shina kugereka mu tete
ati mandi ni kugera nyonga mbera okay let us leave national elections no twakuja habururu bwito ba primaries ogo bwana wa gambera we had very many incidences of violence in our primaries than in the general elections so can the problem be opposition that's no abantu ba government beje noreba opposition ni bagambira ngo rabaha ntungamo oba umukaruru karukutana na umekabasharira opposition oba bagira ngo rabaha kariyo nanka 4 people died in Sinjiro umukaruru kakangwaje na Dr Moses ini churuhura hiya mukatero Burundi sa churuhura president hakuruga mukatero Burundi sa between Kano and Wilson mawogola no NRM kadira ngo twabura we have failed in omukaruru akahoire NRM ekateine candidates ahantu habiri
mukanga
konka ahantu habira ubururu bwabe buriyo buona bukaburumu abana ba first family and I am coming to that as well because Kangwaje is no first family Sodo is a brother to the president, to the national chairman of the party. Abantu beinja bakukira kwizana beiza bagera ngubone barwo mu state house kandi batumirwa. Ino Rwampara here was the same issue. Amuskankunda kana agira tabatumire nyo.
Mutokutera kode.
Ati nyowe kuba nsanga no rugiro rarankire nyindabo mu dress. Ati ne dress ko bari ati nyindabe nyuma. Same thing with Mola Simo, same thing with all other people. Now element kandi of course aho ebinkugamba hata abantu bengene batalabanuza babatakunda kuvura. Indeed wankora kurungi kwa ndoro nonda kunyaho. I am going because in Jaco I am going to annoy very many people. Ombururu weitu ha hatarigiremu ngo especially ngo primaries hatarigiremu ngwitwe tulubugu tutakagizire ba cha persons ba NRM na returning officers bamazire kuka at a certain strategic level both on your politics but secondly no center habo kuba primary giye kuchira kubo nebaho hanyuma ubusente buceko kwatara DC bakamuha miliyoni 5 akahagiro atasimiri kuba nahagera kandi bari bakagera ngwitu twina abantu bitu so omulimbarara hand for instance kingonda kwendera nacho omukaruru akambarara nako kakaka ine possibility kusana ubundi here the situation was saved by the RCC Lieutenant Kano Mwesige.
cyane
Here the situation here in Mbarara here, some people were not going to be declared to go at the center here. Akaruruka chairman waba abakuruga abakwenda Geita Kasara Uganda Manyeka Beta. Chap did a staba. And the other one, Echuro, the SARS guys and they had started doing some comedy. Akaruruka even no Bururu Baba MPs, but ekisije kinaninga ambaho hotspot district cases kuchira violence nizimanya they are not more than 10 okunehenda kutayo omuntu kumanya otonu he will stand his ground tokuja kumubisa milioni 10 hoko barazi kwaseraho tokuja kumubisa tuntuja kubinga abo kuba is close to power na amanyo kukuba kubingwa batebya hate kizibu nese gikinkwenda kwendera nacho ebya hate tokumanya no hakubinga okala hano kada mchungu ya kuchwere mfumo bamazire kumubinga yagira ngo ekitama nesaki ngo abajenje bakeiza ngo entama yagambire saki ngo bajya kuliwa so hello office ya RDC ni ya security eine capacity yokusetunge jimesi kunka njija kurugera ha pointing authority
noga nichimanyisa chi washanga ngo myanye mu ntubasa kora tirekiragiro ahandi ntwitagara DC wa mani Then you say, because I cannot hear why don't we have same standards? And whatever Abodo, Kareba, Tomagam, Nichuka sensing Akaruraka was a caterism.
The show was a chavio now. We know more to work mania. We be the champion for Gachana Namkaga Sizobe in any field. Ojangwa kariyo mtezwe bukonde Tyson muna hata na achabatera
arabatere myaka makumya
evana wore field ngakana atere ko decana kumuro decana na mukaga hata na abashikura ngukandi Diego Maradona mwabere na ateba
Top scorer
a top scorer muna hata Diego Maradona no wachiri top scorer ngomwe shongozo umuntu njyo na singe ngwakari Celine Dion hata n'umwe shongozo wa man ngomburizi wengiri wa man wembo ichirizamu bakare Festo Chivengeri nguna hati wotaresere Festo Chivengeri abantu bakwijama church ngware na yurukagaje akara akabua no chireba nguna hati wotaresere akabua mazima timu yanyu baba jachi bagisinga mpereza yo mu ntomwe champion wari kumurwede cyane na mukaga ukiri champion de shaheje
nyomwine Boazi as a good moderator
akata kazi
nyonu na
so
actually champion
so obuzima bujari champion okuteba kwanjire takirwa byagenda haijapo yanjire omukono tubwakinaga kikonde kongana insisting ngwena ateko kubari champion numwende nari mutakwenda hato mpira kokwe or champion wa kifuba no kireba kimanyisa ngo abazara mwe babahende nkana bafuteroza penalty zota ku deserving kana kona agite ngora kipa naragirwa gwa side yo mpira gutaretwa wachete so tunyo mkatemba ya champion so that was a issue number 2 validation John na manyana bamwine uri champion wachana na mukaga akaryo mtebi cyana na mukaga na baguma na ateba na no munani mahagira ongati ngwikirizo mukaruruke akwa karura kakarekera guma hayi guma ayirangira nyuni champion wachereba onko okushisha sente zitu akatubia mutujyo mbururu ngune democracy ejo bageta validation exercise on public service owire bwikabaje nkonkanto yena kubamanya mukirho nari mukafu ni mwe nari team mwijo mu validation tubare ngibyo baje ne bandiko bye
head count
no kireba head count tubabare hate exercise yakaru neberi validation omurimi rwa parliament urwo rwa legislator bageta ratification to ratify kimasa ikintu cyabireho hato umwija kucyamira hata mu Uganda demokrasi yayo ntubanza tugenda turondo mwebembezi abakera bashita babajya ngo hatu umwebembezi witonanga rero bija kumuhamya umbingi so ejejo nebetare election ejo nebere validation neberi ratification omukubara twinestri kweta constants and variables kamba tehuka chumka mathematics kunka kangwi y equals mx plus c ejo ni equation of a straight line now m the gradient ejo ne constant x is a variable now y is a variable konka kandi c kuriya nayo constant so nangwe equation of a straight line and variables and constant in other words y ne basa kugira value egumene hinduka let y equal to 0 to 100 1 million let x equal to but c and m will not change wachete jeres so akaruruka Uganda problem yako kine constants and variables that those who must win at all costs now hatuko kuwera RDC or diso or UPDF what UPDF netanye uzompururu or yo mpolisi bakuja mumbarira ntwenda yo bururu emtwara nana mshanju wachenga nechitwero nketachi kichekanisa no tekoje no chebere no ndota kujirota aho kwari equation yo kubalancinga kulia om research harmu eziba kweta dependent and independent variables no chireba hatumu mathematics na computer zo research dependent and independent variables so iwana mangu fortunes zao emisha yao ne depending ngari yori ya champion orkweta champion obwo yaratache muri ko karate ko bari champion emisha yao wano mangu nesibuka
ni wekano muhaje
esibikira yori ya champion wachetegereza no buri nkembuze rumumunaga na wayirukanga ikomera nkondo nuguma no ukora sako chama no ukora saka upresi no mano ugenda necho no shebe chamtuba no ugenda na echo warga kai ahiguru money so that now explains the violence president nata tumira abantu umuntu we nangu je non terre nanga konkana hari chwero ntendo bururu buti kandi wotaburesere to korfainga kuzo government ensia
instructive on you the actor
no che habura witegereza kuri ari validation exercise nintendo bururu ubwo kwija kwikiriza democracy yitwende yito ya definition yito ya Uganda yo guma twire champion emwe kurgacerera mukaga mpaka 2026 champion narashatu naguma so hati iwa bakuteye cwero cyawe no mango sheme kukikiriza noza ku mobilizing aba police wor RDC no beta abo kwa RDC no kura security kai utahande aba police bakuyambaho amahega kuyambaho aba intelligence bakuyambaho murengo cicwero cyajaki no borinka no re bishop yashoza ekirango cyaho nawo akagira ngo ecitwero hati ekanisa itineti nutwenda milioni 5 bor kanisa zo mor kantera milioni 5 yonko mburizi no kimanya ngo go mwaka milioni 5 wota zishikize cyase zo go buryo mburizi niche
ari kuri komeninga kuzakushomo bwahuri
nabuza kushomo kandi wanonda promotion kwija exactly kuzakushomo bwahuri wanonda promotion cyo ibayise nkani okore mnonga babasha ba milioni 5 iwe leta 10 nukwe ejo no common sense umbiburu wabshoba mi wabronda mteberumu constitution mteberumu konkomba hangwa ejo ni common sense so that now explains the violence in elections tino bakuba batomere ngiroko terena umba mushabo bururu hatuwera ngo kubutunga a substitutinga legitimacy yo kujya oshera abantu persuasion a substitutinga with violence now ahansi naro a lot of violence konka ko kuzahiguru abatakutera mbabaheseta witagereza but they all achieve the same what objective so kwa substituting akakana net x equals 1 x equals 2 hate yo de sete wachetegereza aha muteyo sente kandi kuriya muteyo cyoboko kandi kuriya yaze yo mbundu kurijira no kireba you want to either mobilize or suppress you get the idea batachimbire batakatera in other words because you can increase your value no kireba ombururu no basakanyiso bururu bwawe by kumobilizing okatererwa abantu bingi or disenfranchising people ukabatera bakatina bakatina futera ki akaruru
batahariye juboto
Akakushembayo.
waga baho nyine just through the moderator aho ninyenda ho chobora of course cha champion wao wano gambaho na ntamanyire bamwine who spoke to me he has been but that's same champion he is a champion of peace for a very long time so he's still a champion now aha issue yawe jo aha takuja sente hajaye kiboko atagira kiboko ntajaye mbundu but we have seen instances where biona bisatu ebintu biba applied can't we hear yours Gureta Kampala an example and Gureta Buganda violence kali sente zikaziriyo abantu bakabagura kiboko yakabayo mamba zikazirumu but still people voted for those who wanted to vote.
You see literacy is an enemy of ignorance. Literacy is an enemy of ignorance. Hato mu Kampala abantu bingi bari enlightened. Ukireba? Owito mu cyaro warabya mu mbundezi. Ujye utaratakatiri n'inyama yarwo. Bakabareba mu barabara bamwe. Uyu mwe nakera polling station. Konka Kampala no rabo n'imbundu za bagomba jaki. Bagumane bakureba you don't mean much. Therefore to conclude ito mbere yo twine bakweta general exception twine bakweta exceptions or exception to the general rule. Every rule has an exception. For example, panza kugira ngo byomwe avugiro ogwamusho urya ruguto okuya ati okuya yabera ambulance eyine mu rwiri watetegereza hatejo ejejo ni exception to the general rule. So twine exception mu Uganda eriku overshadowing eka superseding eka supervening against the general rule. Waza kutera karuru wajeti konkana kataka singwa already you have dogged the democratic dispensation.
Commission otwiro RDC and RDC by central omukarukeito no hakum primaries aiba kuiba absent no hakum general election now enforcement officers umazina gamba na abodo mbajano benda kwemya mwaka rwaka kabako kusinje. Do you get a sense in which tichubasa
ati nyinyi no mugishagumu mugishagu nyine arubuna benta shomire nije nashoma hati wahita bishome mu Uganda na nyine nije arubuna benta mwebembeze hati wahita bembeze mu Uganda ningira ki konka nabunda bishomire kandi nabunda ndi mwebembezi tinkebirwe ngo hari abanyarwanda binjye batashomire n'abanyarwanda abingi abatari bebembeze. I'm very cautious of that. Hati ukutamburi hangeri kumpira exposure y'empango abanyankwe binefungwa akanyonyi katagenda akana katagenda kagira ngo nyina no bugira ki no kuteka ki tukwasa harone n'ikishongore cy'abaganda ntabatasigansigo
barinze
tukwasa kubyara ibinyobwa ukajya munoza kusharura ibihimba ati bagenzi banje abo ikintu cyo batiheye cyangwa abakoze constitution ya Uganda bakaba bari mu rujungu babita eminent persons bakaba bari abantu abinji bakaba bari mu exile nabo bakaba bari hero kunka bakaba bashomere batambwire bashomere bari systems nyingi bagenda bareta constitution ati nga wareba Bill of Rights bakagihe mu UN yona kukweri bagihe mu America yona kukweri bagirita mu Uganda hashiwe umwana atakegire kwajora wa mutomu mpaka zo Olympics atakegire na kwajora. What do you expect? Bill of Rights kuze mu UN nk'uko ziri mu Amerika niko bazitira mu constitution ya Uganda.
DHR.
Beja batamukuroze I think mbe ningambo abamwe bungambire nabo abari musiye baba kamba teka ngo Uganda iki yabeneye taga na constitution nungeje ije nungi munonga ni yabeneye buraho bayibo kuma nk'umuntu asakoza constitution nungejo ashanyaraze government hati kibatire muki ekikurete ibyo ni mukugamba bagira ngo there shall be honorable members of parliament. Honorable hari yabaho abantu b'ikitini samunonga aburukiko rw'ishingiro haza muri atiko ya nshanju na mwenda bagira ngo nibo bakujunanizibwa ukutekaho amateka ngakureta obusinge obucurera entunguka n'obwebembezi burungi.
Good governance.
Aka kabiri bagira ngo tariho umuntu wena ninga ikitongore ekiri kuzikizo bakora iteka erikora ibi n'ibinagamba okwihaho yabaye n'urusa rwa parliament. Then I'm here bagira ngo haza bahona members of parliament abo bo barayegerekera kubarashashurwe. That's where the problem is. Boba kandi bateka umutwe ko member wa parliament ari yaba yargira umuriro gwensogu arikureba ihanga nicyo kikuru abashyarire ngo tabaramanyire ngo umuntu naragahishomero ninga narwo mbushubuze naje kwitera umucucu nazo mu politics tabarakitegatekire nicyo kurebera n'abantu ababe mbavuge nk'umusiye sente zibaye mbabona it was nothing aba bari mu narasi bagamba bavuga pick up za Sahara tinwana tabarakitegatekire ngo umuntu aratekateka ari mu TX ni motoka ya member wa parliament tubari
never envisaged that.
bakamamanya umuntu yaba honorable natekateka yihanga atakitekatekereho. Now the reverse is true. Hati ebicweka chenana na bitana rigana ba members ba parliament niga cyenda nango nibanza betekatekaho batakatekatekera yihanga. Hati cyo kiretera ngo politics ninge by'ubwebembezi nugwe umurimo mu Uganda ogukushashurwa je okukirima mu ndijo yona. So obwebembezi bwarga abuhereza bwaba obushubuzi hati nicyo kushangira abateza ubururu n'abajanzi y'abaperation hari operation n'umushubuzi operation n'umwebembezi operation n'umubuzi wengiri hatubwire wa campaigns abateza ubururu mbakiriza operation n'umushubuzi bamuhereza operation n'umubuzi wengiri bamuhereza ubushubuzi operation n'umushubuzi bamuhubwebembezi operation n'umwebembezi uwo mureza bamuhereza umubuzi wengiri hati babishubi hati umuntu naza karicureta baramo natunde enju yanjye nkagiha biliyoni 2 nkazito mu karuru amyaka 5 nyamuke biliyoni 2 anoya biliyoni 15 okay kibona nikikora enju gitunda. I can tell you
Return on investment nungi.
tumukarebera violence tutekareba
So twezereke.
kandi hatabe ikizu buke bakora
Akakaza kwije.
twakakongana n'akaragarakaho isi umushubuzi narunda amagoba takufa yoba yagiha mwana muto obana mugikuru
obana mwishukuru
we naronda ki tigwasa kutunde enju yanjye iyi ndi kumangu ni it's life and death.
So mushubuzi na blind finder.
Nantarabireho I'm useless. I'm hopeless.
The president as well.
I'm telling you, you see my challenge now.
no because tugamba violence mu
the level I'm on tigiya nanke gigi
rero si
turi president
ikinagambira cyo bushubuzi ikingo cyo bushubuzi you tell me, let me show you haturi no gamba yenarem do you know what is in opposition hati kankubuze
nyoni wa NRM na Arami
hati kankubuze aba FDC ni Rwanda ki imyaka 23 batahane benda kwiyo Museveni hati basi yapati izina mbona hatabona ujya naomba Rwanda kwenda kwiyo Museveni nup ya nyumwazo neje kuruga mukitanga the focus is not on Museveni echi focus ero ko kwataka akakantu kanje aka MP Chadondo East
dispensing favors
ni mfuna mu
president
huriya nakubuza bari kache haturiya nabaramu nabandi Chadondo East member wa parliament ntunzirize inzu zanjye 2 billion 5 nazito mu karuru bwanyo myaka 5 haraga muke I don't care oba FDC je ngomba oba ne mfunguro as long as nyundi ngai
and it doesn't matter who is the president
then ibitiri kuru then hata kijiro mpatizi nanka kubagira umunanka ikintu bageta iPod bagira hata barapatera leta abajwekirwa mu parliament ni akasente hata patizi Rwanda kuba president ni syabajwekirwa banga mu parliament
hanyikaza kwata
so the moment we turn the politics into business, whether you are in which party, it doesn't matter. If you are president na bachaba ko bireba hati amisho tugariyo amisho tugariya nyungu muntu nimbona ki konka itoba shome development economics ebyo no munsi zone bibamo. Those are signs of development. Development nabagikopa zona zibanza zirwana zishika bushumo kwingana bati mu economics ntuketa primitive accumulation kushanga no wakwita mu inesho to kufayo as long as waje wichiwihe jimba gita primitive accumulation so ihanga kuri kushika stage ejo hata abantu batandika kunyiga as individuals banyiga ojene sente na billions zinga heba ziriya banga kwakaruru what do we do? Then leaders go to the boardroom. Bajangunga, aitwa hika. Ninga komo ebembeze nka president. Hajata ticha leadership, ticha sente. We must take the country first. Such that now I can envisage either in the late moments of President Museveni as a president, or in somebody who represents President Museveni, you'll get a leader either in him in his last days. Atachi beshengereza. Hakwati nimugera muhindura ebisi. No manyi wotatwire what else kuja kwa Karuru. You now you blackmail him. Konga yashyirumbira bibute nakaruru. Ninga whoever will repress him, a leader is going to emerge. This nonsense must stop. Is he not a human being? He must remain a champion because is he not a human being? In fact, the biggest campaigners by President Museveni never come. Once you threaten him as a human being, he has blood. I saw it in Kenya until Kofi Annan came during the Mzee was who? Mzee Moi. Mzee Moi akategeka Kenya miaka 15 aine minority. Every election akasponsoring parties zirwana araba who is with the majority in a minority. Until they sobered up, Bakayereta Kofi Annan, and he brought mediation, and Moi said, I'm not standing. So, to me, I think the biggest challenge we have now is to lack quality leaders who can be selfless
Thank you.
bajya ata bwa Uganda
mwe n'umukuru nanda kumara kunka n'umukwatwa
kashati
bamwine saying
mukamuto muchome. First of all, yaza kubona karuru, you must blackmail him. Catholics want this, Protestants want this, Muslims want the other one, the abapigime na wano bendechi.
Thank you.
So you cannot be touch everybody at the same time. And remember, we have not forgotten our history. Hatumu North, Bondu Goba Murebe.
Wabara commission. Shikara makumya bibiri za romo shaitan za.
Imwe numuraha abantu bose Goba Mbugini.
Shikara makumya bibiri za romo shaitan za kashishi. Iyo program iri kumishengero. Anas.
Nubari yumba muyongo mbazi.
Akaruru.
I've just been there.
Nakabasa kuba akumutano hariyo butwire tugira tuyinaba Ekaya Crescent Hotel. Ekaya Crescent Hotel bashangwa kamukuze mbara. Bino mwanya murungi munonga hoteli yo murembe ino buyonjo bwo kikacha higuru bine gardens aho korre mukoro bino buraro burungi bine cyungu cyabo kitakinga abwa chansya cha mushana cha ciro ibigo na nibirungi abinaho kwemere binaho kwemereza motoka wabo jine mbere uko kuza Ekaya nuza kubona umunyango wazo muka yawe torateganya Ekaya Crescent Hotel baturebero program yiti shengero burakashishaka. Edward.
Yes, please.
Kukura submissions za Nwagaba wena achipeginga akujangu President Museveni kuyabiro kumaho no kwatako season ari but we have all concluded mu ya namanyisa
Ni wa concluding.
Okay.
Utakatu bere muni yitu tuzi yo conclusion.
Simena word. Nanyo ni njirani sana hiyo.
John Kayanja bamwine yamugamba.
He whispered. He didn't tell me. I said he whispered. Whispering and telling are two different. He did not tell me. He whispered.
Nwagaba nagirango ntubasa kugumerwa kugera karuru ko gusinge President Museveni yabacyuho kandi nabakuteko kumukora nabo bakurinde imirimo yabo. John nagira ngo resistance just echo ntumanyisangu ntateko kubo kunyoromo. Commission nagira ngo esente zayebembera politics abantu batukurwana okufana okushaka.
By that as you ask your question.
Then
Last week, last month, abantu bemba Mbataho leaders in Kayunga, they destroyed the hotel down. Abantu bonga batire hotel bagitanza. Abo nabo kwenda kurwansa ina remu kugiye.
now with all that hatom ubazi nugwijaguruka kai.
Ekintu kitwena turi connected twagamba nani mporkereza shana hina ngwina naenda kujya mu tekerezanga no commissioner a constitution nyone ndeba constitution kogera mu following ekabene tsesamo akwana uri munane bichweke bya kubende guiding eri hanga nangwa byona champion orode tukabitabanga kane so nyoni yesigamba abantu abakoze the constitution we have to respect them
Icyesente
one ore abahona remiriye matembe bahabona bayum abaparticipate ngiro mu gihecho kuba stickingira principles zabo hati no kureba
bakambesha shora zinge.
Lindaho
Kashika mtunari. Challenge.
Commission maybe allow him to
Yes,
submit.
Yeah, ningirangu actually chakwenye tuyamba ninga constitution yetu. Konka umwamini waga bechi yanagamba champion wa constitution najemo kecho mugasho ninga takukireba. Abo kuba twinemu ngoko nanagambire twinemu category y'abantu mwihangire. However much constitution may have powers to a citizen of Uganda chapter 1. No kimanya ngu Omunya-Uganda alina obugabe bw'okukola n'omwebembezi konka at some point abantu abakuteera akalulu obwingi abokusiba omu kalulu bakaronda nibakateera obugabe bwabo tubara batenyire constitution eri kubaheereza ahabw'okuba hina aretwarebere ngu nibahikaho oza kuteera akalulu oshanga bakatiire nangwa n'obwa presidential n'obwa parliamentary okashanga akalulu bakatiire yumuzeyi wanje akaza kukomurayini bajya muzeyi akarutu twakafuteri so garukomuka so keke nagamba umwami
But they helped him.
Kastakanda kuterera.
kashi
Akanda kutera bamuyamba.
ekinyo yigambe cyo kugira ngo constitution yanegamba ine tereza ubugabe okaho bamufi yaza kurimba ubugabe mu constitution tugaba
Chicho.
ekibuzo cy'abandi ecyambuza ruyale tinka yedukira tuyambe as we have that somebody called the champion ukwenda kubakira ahabwo kuba actually batayi banje kubana bagamba karone katabangurwa abantu baburijwe abo konka aburira kero kurgayiguru order from above kati bagamba abona yes ekicho ntikimanya nangwa no burogo metropolitan Kampala obuyanagamba ho kugira ngo batayi banje buyanagamba ho ntumanya ngo bakadisbasinga election materials babanza baziholding bazibizinga leta nanabatira karungu baje kwika kuva ruru obwabo tubaraburangiye ko metropolitan Kampala tubaraburangiye so niyo nanyakufera icyo kibuza kitino kwebuzaho who is going to help this country kureba mutwandika a level action quantifika ahabo kuba we have champion obutukumanya ngo ecyari kugamba nicyo kirakorwa nikutangaza kushanga ngo muntu ka MP incumbent nashuma ngo mukaruru even on the election day the voting day ukashanga umuntu ayina abantu 10 baje uniform ya UPDF agoma nugiye a usual candidate MP member of parliament or your district or your constituency yawe oyina abantu 10 baje uniform ya UPDF and then there is abo rero tugambira ngo bashitamire bikirizangana ngata karungu kaza kuba peaceful they are watching so noreba mutukine ekizibu cyangwa umunonga as long as tukine mu muntu orugwena mutumu keeping mu ntebe atarugamo. So we have all the policies is guiding elections zona ziri clear very well stipulated. There is that one voice that will hinder all that people.
Edward.
Yes please.
Kwa nyangaro muntu mwe orukwenda akumungu ntebe. Twamanya murugu mu ntebe twakwatanisa nabo. Tukareka kwehena. Tukayiro byakarukitu kombe kihanga.
Rwanda we.
Yes.
Kigali style.
Yaza korecho ningato buruba gwemereza. Tukajya ngo akaruru mu Uganda tukakiriho akwanture mu tukatera tini kikakwiyamba. Concurrent members of parliament abutwatira abo kwashone kwana babaga amateka no batkora decisions zese. Most of them are both also. Na wowe ngo uri no gamba kajya ati nyowe I don't care no twakugira MPs runano mu parliament abo mwe no mwagwejegera azurunga zimwariga yizo barumwe twatune muco kuvotinga mukakivotinga. Member na speaker of parliament ubona kwa nyina ngurabye mwamurabye. Hati nuko kavuya akaryomo. Otherwise
and for you is that bad?
Pardon?
Is that bad? Yenda president waranda speaker nanka okorora ngo democracy nekora basimiri kumuhakanisa.
Why not?
No, should that be the definition of democracy? Ngo cha president araleta bachakanisa.
Tukumanza ngo rimwe nabachakanisa manyi.
So okubikiriza tino so.
Tukujya mu byani byakora bugwiri. Konka ari byo kwana bareba ngo ki yakora nicyo kutabanguriyanga. Because hatu washanga ngo harbo abantu bine rights zabo kutera karuba karuno mwembebezo bakwenda. Konka iyo rero byo tinyewe mu district age ningo mu constituency age nitwenda yo. Because we have to be open if we want to really help this country. Okashanga RDC zaba appointed on this is kumubusinge by heads of security okashanga no bebembire omukutabangura karuba. So really ningerangu kikabe kitari kibi cyo kugira ngo abumse otherwise
to magambo nambo nimenda kuba kwaka ndabona natabara karuru abodo magambo nimenda kuba
we are waiting kandi kuko nakigambira karuru ko burnyake itano kengero kutabanguka we are waiting abo kubone ibintu byo bigambo bitwirentурira tinkarebera mu actually omwebembezi especially comme police umuntu uri kugira ati nyewe na yemerandi abayemerire understand inovutu arebera abarigere no munso umuntu agambe cyakoreba kandi cyaje abantu bakoreba mu kikere konka within 3 years umuronda buri. So really there is that challenge. Nyoni ngirangu ecyayambi hangeri kutu wababulize tubanze turebe a members of parliament abatudiscraping tukicendeze mazuma ushange twina abantu bake abo kubasa taking decisions batari kinyamwikirize twine members of parliament abari mu parliament no namara myaka itanu utakamenya no kuba makoma abo kuba we ni yes ekibagamba nicyo cyakwenda kikora. So until we get quality leaders konkana bwe ko commissioner yagambe it may be this one but akabanga to commercializing the politics twazirebera mu level ya sena. So tugumire kugira ngo tufune quality leaders umuntu wo kumenya yazo naza gukora ayemere stand akikira abantu be.
Twena ndenda karo
akaruru nikaba karungi bana bakorangira akaruru karungi when you are the victor
irrespective how that
akaruru nikaba karungi bana bakorangira tarusho tukati so bibindi ntwenda akaruru karungi ko kwiho mu ngoma nkaje so tukasoko akaruru tukasoko kwiho mu ngoma ngaba karungi it can't happen tubira muhebe ebe mugogamba biri mu theory nyumba gambire resistance kubororo muntu wa resisting uri mushaka wido mu government wa gumo resistance nta halo cyo kwangisa necyaha kandi manye imiti mutu mukisera yumwa abakiri mwanda kukiri ujyo wanyu imwe kizubu cyane mwanda nyoni imbarora mwanda kuntomeza mbawe imbarora yeni nguma ni imbarora mumbuzo ni cyaha kigambe rero nyuma ndamara kukigamba ntomere na inyo mukisera kandi mutu mukisera nimwe mugigure kandi nyo ngine nyeka nyo ngujumanya nyeka entwiga kali mu government navumanya so tosoko resisting ori aheru okaguma resistance izuro munda ino hakaniso no hakaniso kubo oyine parliament oyine judiciary oyine but you still resisting you are resisting against who and what everything over bagambiri because you don't get a national resistance to each other you are national no problem but you are resisting against who you are in government so resistance ejo kandi enaremwe jo bwira mujya kuka ebe tachuro ndiri tari mu government ko ngano kuba tachuro hataho ibintu haine birahinduka kuba resistance nejya kubeta chikozereki etaro nimanyisa cyalo parties zindi za tanu za kanuno zirazubura hati obukine pate nguni national resistance movement hati yo negira ngo iyo eriyo ene eke kwangishiriza neke kwakanasa ogano chakanasa vuri orukuri uri mukisaka hatu government ni yawo number 2 tujya kugira mu gisa murungi umukarura akakwizaka government n'urubazo hakanasa bijya kuba bino buzale
government
n'urubazo hakanasa bijya kuba one and another they will be twins so kana timba nyundi nkugambira kanyuni nkugambira tingugambira bikutebereza nyini nkugambira bingomanya government eyekwiza 2026 neja kuberi NRM and led by an NRM chairperson leader of opposition neja kuberi mutabani wa NRM so hataho mtabani wa NRM mtini so kuba hati ebintu ko kubi kandi tulesera na MP aliona abaga ganda mateka no matari amateka gina gagabene gatkwatera twagira ngo kareka turabo mu DP baturambe bagira kabiho okubiteka rwende gera ngo biggest opposition leader no ara appointing a lop hat opposition leader niki no wabiri wa abantu bengi perceptioneri ngu no wabiri wa kabiri mu karuru tuko ati kintu ndakukikaho igizera kugira ngo oboraye namba nyingi abe namba nyingi abo ubonka besere mu lopo so ati ombwira turargo mu Christmas
so people power ya kujaza mu parliament
ito turargo mu Christmas tujya kwandikira kibina Patriotic League of Uganda ibara twareservinga you know that turamara tumobilizinge ba MPs within opposition and NRM tutunge nkaga because mu Uganda ko botunga nkaga you are the majority of opposition so turamara kutunga nkaga tujye mu parliament ko opposition hatu turamara kujye mu parliament ko opposition government kandi bangana abantu banga bata abantu benda ki abantu babuliciro nabo bakwima karuru abantu babuliciro tubakwima muntu karuru nikisuba abantu babuliciro bakasama kudongo bakwima karuru kandi bwanwe bari munonga yarakuketa nyo bari munonga yawo gitingi kundira kimwe abantu baburi there are peasants
Mbona kwibaza ngo watetse.
no usharaho nyoni ngumanya abantu baburi cyurwaba bariyo kuba bategere ngaro mbanyo na kwimata karu so abantu baburi cyurano bendaki umbagira ngo buguriso wine byenzu takubura bizukuru abantu baburi cyurano bendaki the number 1 no bendo busente izinga ngumi 2 ngumi 5 tubagira ngusende nzenda mukaru iba kugira ngo ngito abararga NRM stroke PRU ngutujya kwa TNSet kindi tujya kwa tuzini bagira ngo namba 2 twiga kugira ngo kuba harabamo abasirikare babiri umucyaro umuntu batuteraga ruru abasirikare babiri tubade iwahora gutumuntu batubura ngustubeye obarabara tunataye abasikiruko companies ro nyingi umuntu tayari ngo banyaci sarasini n'abandi ba explain nature because politics kwetagisa ndumanya so ito shitkwenda ndicumwe omuntu weno wakugamba violence free election.
Thank you.
Atakwasire ha issue ya security omu district sezo habokuba abantu bitu baburicho we have not got incidences whereby ngorare yanankeria ngwaboro bargo ko beiza batandika kutere bikonde from no violence yobururu bwona nereto abakubimenejinga nereto security taro ebindi. If you manage those, you will have sorted so many issues.
Mwaka abantu bakizinga umuntu umwe kuba champion obwire bona konka Richard Todong nabo umuhaniki mukuru wa NRM kandi mukama wa register
niba atwabisisira kimwe kandi
agizire ngo bizoba natunga petitions.
We are discussing serious issues.
Natunga bihandiko y'abantu kurwo muri Uganda yo nabakugira ngo twantu endagire Museveni agaraka isimbe atakani sibe kumira na mukara
oboida rwampara korangira flag bearer oyabe atasingire akagambirwa obaje hanu oboida kaseso oboito akatabara akaruka kasingwa no but let us talk about election tadongo tumihemu
niyo babuza
no ombanda batalbanize NRM no todongo
John
he has messed up the party but he's not a member of NRM
trajectory ya NRM
is he a member is he a member
allow me ask the question
but he's not a member as a member is he not a member
John allow me ask
okay I am sorry
the good questions omunde bayabo but allow me ask them
wasise kiro cyangiwe
nwaga hati nunda omunda tunga petitions mukeze hati we akoriki yana guiding a party
aho group sibesha heji ezo kujya ngo president Museveni agumeho agumeho champion agumuzemo agumari champion oba nacho basa babwangiye ko agumari champion group yo kubanza etungire omu government ya president Museveni era kirire ngo bakozere omu murembe gwa Museveni kwararijeho abatakobenda baza kubishishagura ejo no group yo kubanza hatizere yo group ensya nayo erikwenda ngo champion agumize
umushana gute murebe Nubutu murebere
abantu ose ugabaye kuriya icyandiko cyashomwe cy'umusho cyashomwe okanga so
cy'umusho ka soma dira atayihad
now
toleka bawe baro bakabusoma
group ya kabiri erikwenda ngo muze nero kureba ababa bajuni abanyamururu bajuni bariyo mu kintu cyabo norebo kwa kucyamagura secretary general Secretary General wa NRM Secretary General we Chief Administrative Officer w'ikibintu yes
mwana mugamba atodongo nari wakaruru no
reba omuntu yine only a membership card urebe cyakora Secretary General
no are you talking about the secretary no urari ngamba on electoral commission not the Secretary General
wano gambariyo
old no
erwaye bwa wagamba
oyizire rwampara kagaba flaga no bicha bitodongo is NRM is very fine ningambo wakaruru noho wa mwasa wa makerere tango doyi ubu nwatalo wa NRM tudongo is tudongo mamugambaho
na
anyo namba tera tango doyi nuwa namba ndio mtu busa tango doyi is not NRM is a confusion maker
okay
tudongo is very okay
now hatu grupu abatakwenda obugabe abatakwenda obugabe bw'ekyebumbe omu Uganda n'omwe narimu hatabo kandi nabo baze ebintu bitatana ngo mugurisa gumizemu omutabana banze abiyesasire
last year bakana bahagera
this is my time
last year bakana bahagera cyo mutabana akakwizira
we cannot continue like this out
now hata zo group says ezamani of course ari abandi ezamani group says group civil haraba kwagera president Museveni ariyo kwenda kukingira umutabana ejo kategori ro nigire tumwe ncobwe tugumena muzeyi oriya situru kumwenda hatu ncokore bwo nagira John ngubone benda kuzo mu opposition babare kuno barakwata cha Bob Wine ngwagomba hakari sishebo
yes lead of opposition
wabihurra ohura calculation na ate chinkwenda gambira
yuni nyenda akachiko ka kosasi
chinkwenda ngambire John na
kosasi
even armed robbers have a plan even armed robbers have a what plan ungaruza kurra urangu babitara hariya bunda
gwiturwabo
ukara babine plan abashuma nabo babine ki plan koke shayona noza kurra urangu babitara hariya bari ari Independence Park munemirambo yonka why uba kore ba planninga naba kwamba planninga kwiba nabo mbaba jaki planninga so jona ne kigumana agambuka shangu nimwe mwine plan mwine nabatagamba nabo bineki nabo
sikyo kandi nyenda akachiko ka kosase yuni chikusala ki musongora sauce
now so tante dafutereza Uganda nyoko ndo kureba abo kwatwatamo auditor tukatera ka ruche na mkaga 11 ngumi na mkaga 11 kona aka president kareto muntu mwana tuor auditor katu ino auditor general akafamo muwangu akahumura I'm sorry to akahumura bataho ondejo hato gondijo tinkumanya mwene wabo auditor bakwereze kitabo ngo bari sentence chowize
anaqualified account
ukasoma no mako bari butako hati so cyane na mukaga 2011 2016 hateze sente waba no auditing tokora ngo audit kweli zikafaki
BOQs nizo zimwe
zikafaki result same same so hati wala no kora audit report
but democracy
conclusion yawe nebiri ngwengi ngutugomeze mu nshishagura esete zo muhiwo mushoro ntukora katemba nari akakaruru tutero mu bwa parliament aka president baze tukareki niyo nikizane cya bamwine we bamwine yagira ngo nyine ati ndonka ngabo ko abamwe abakurebana bamuhagira
abatakamanya ngo horaga ari kirumuka
ngana wayine kukimayo ngo watino wanyu niyo ntandikiro yo kubekerare
koko mabati kikiye yari we do that echo amukuru wihanga that's unfitting
but I'm guiding children
that's unfitting
here TV is for children
that's not
for children and
you're talking about you are referring to a head of state
niyo nagambira bamwita nagamba head of state najangu umwana wawe yatino muka nabekiranye so obwenje bundu kuhereza nyo bwanje kandi this is I am consistent with this kabanya cyakaruka president karende karijyo wenyineka kurigire byakora iri hanga tumureka gumeze mu warahendere ataya humurege I agree with that conference
yito kandi itwe
mwimwe bayi mwitumene muramu warahendere de tuzombi abo kubati okugumanza mu karuru kakoreta umuntu karukwitsa abantu kakoreta kavuyo karukujyaci what is that that validation exercise kugireke umushaka mu ngoma ye ko yaragirire twari mutandika kandi ubu nza kusevinga sente
2.4 trillion
zumbi kinda
rero kwaza kumara atavuga wembeza bugabiro mu
no batugana ngo Kigali democracy 99%
iyo ni kizana
but you see bagenzi banje aba ikizubu cyabo
twine bindi namba
ikizubu cyanyu kushira bije nareba imwe muri ibyo kureba irizo ibyo kushaba umunango mushaririya
Lord is prayer
tubabu na balance watosha
bonga yale commissioner watu nafia challenge.
No, I mean, you see, you're talking about Uganda, the whole of it. So one of Uganda yona nkihangariona eshara yawe shime kure na nyenchakare
nicyo kwendero kwa kosa
byaho heri izoba kari nyenchakare ako kintu bagamira. I have been in Karamoja, I've been in Acholi, I've been in Lango, I've been in Western Nile, I've been in Sebei, I've been in Teso. I've just recently come from Toro sub-region. Mwamini wagaba ekirungi tukuzira hamwe n'inkumanya. Aba NRM kuba ararete President Museveni ka candidate wabo natebwa kuraba.
Yes.
Mwena hati uwanorota kumwenda urete mushawabe ku ari heni waho because you're going to get heart attack. I've been in these regions.
That's why as
abo munose bomba kugira ngwito umushano gwe turugiye kumureba. Tustaho mu rutaro tukastaka mu birungi byayi. Hata unubuje in fact bomba warning, don't interfere with our LC5 and our parliament. Ebibi okwara guroko. You're going to see the results. Now, in 2005, mkanda na wagabugo turikuze mukaruka referendum. Mkandi yo mwaba mbajangu Uganda tekashire arevu yo kuze mu multipartyism. Tubanze tugume mu ngendo rwo hite y'umugendo. Habingi twatura. But history has proved us right.
When wagaba kana gamba cyo
pate ganda
Noga bano tego muyigendesereza. Agwa unaje nakashana nakabeho. Izana mutambara mwenje kandi mbase mutaramu.
Buri gira ni kwasi nyasesinga mu rutambwe rwawe. Nyasesinga mu rutambwe rwawe.
You are Dr. Chameleon.
So,
nimani kuchebera
ebitwabe ntubagambira bwirobo.
No maka miliyoni kwa ugete mu rutoro.
Ebitwabe ntubagambira bwirobo na nebi. You see, anybody who has bothered to make some history, research, foundation of political parties must be on socio-economic if we are to move. Konke ebyo nebi ebyaba mwina kashoma na John nabwo icyo bakora ikibina cyabo. Ebi byanu wagaba yanyiga na natamba nabwo icyo nabo hati abanyigire nabo bakora cyabo. Those cannot be parties.
Tukwendo bote ni tukole na
ebyo they cannot form parties. Those cannot be long-lasting parties. Those cannot be long-lasting parties. That's why for us we are advocating for a movement system. And I'm happy that parties are not performing well. I'm very happy. And I can tell you they are going to collapse.
All of them.
They will continue collapsing.
I agree with you.
Because the foundation, omuntu owaha ifaringa. Kale kakoba, kampete kakoba. Omuntu wakakoba, ensiri yaneza kumuruma. Tekubuza kibina kibibutegiki. Etuguriyo bona ne baruma kikwingana. Obariyo wa NRM, obariyo wa no pobana, ensiri ne baruma. So the population, they are asking economic questions. Naza hirwaro nshanga yumbazi. Nshanga yumushahu. Abana banje mbasa kuzahishumero. Those are a party that cannot address those. Will not be a party. Now, nchona ni bagambira constitution. You see that abakoze constitution. Abuja ngo bakambara gahero. They gave all the power to parliament. Even the president has no powers to make laws for helping the country to move. Now, once you have a wrong parliament, which has procured votes, a parliament here has a results are going to be the same. Abuko nabo yugami yangu akaruka kuleta president omwe kasheti icyuku byara nicyukugira nje kusharura abantu buntu bakwenda parliament yakube neshitamega gita hati twinde na method of voting parliament yawe nibasa kuchikora yes ndango no kuze ngurangwa nito kitonzugamba cya violence still parliament is the one with the power. Thank you. And it is not doing its work. So nyowe ndio mwaba abashemerirwe ngo ibinane biza kugwa birugeho kandi amwanto show everybody listening to me that as long as NRM yareta President Museveni candidate wabo
kandi bina wagira ngo bijya kugwa kandi uti NRM ninjya na NRM kibina
naje ntabampurikirize mwene NRM kibina yareta candidate ari Museveni naza kusinga this time naza kuza towards 70%.
Tunaba eka ya hotel mubako
azo bagambire na Museveni aje
abeka ya hotel ni mu president Museveni yaje commission yantuma mu bagambire nabo mbamuhagera aba hotel eka katuhebera mu program y'ejo mudakika buri muntu ayinemo Edward 1 minute to close this up
ubere munonga kwazi nyobana nishabe kintu kimwe twendera kugira ngo ira government yitu iyo mutegeke ekoremo nonga kureba ngo ya respectinga omutezi wa Karura
oguma
tubaye respect services actually zibari n'abagamba aha muri zinyo nyoni shitama bukiko bwirwa roshitama bukiko bw'amashomero abana ntunga mu primary school n'abana rwenda we don't have classes commissioner n'agamba ku social services byo mbya tuziryo
ndunga mu ya paso no ayere mu none rugere
exactly
mama
and minister of education
the best it is the best UP
arukumuhakanisa arukuhakanisa ntunga mu mwena remuno
arai wanje
abakuhakanisa ntunga mu mwena
nikugisha mu
I'm not involved in that by the way
ragenda karanga bakamusinga
aha uko kwamusinga na
what is the alternative
chini ndukhendera no kugira ngo champion wito mazimana wari nyona nyera kumshora na TV ya kundi bakore nandi
direkere ibyo kuri televiziyo byawe stop it
ngiye nindeba ngo exizumchona
we am advising you
inda urebe muzayi wanje afira n'imyaka 9 ukabe yashika myaka 55 tubentu muhabure cyo ko obenera ngumsha yarwa turiyo ntu advising
kirigere byabe nakoze
so ningira ngo champion witarani mu advising kugira ngo aho mureje aza no
kasha bateze urumba gamba ki
tendere program
abo muri mazi
niho natangara
notekwa
ndashika twirembe iki
bajyanga amadini bagiyeho hasigarira hanga wenka manyedini kuzikurgaho hasigarira hanga wenka abasaramu batandika kusarura mu mahanda imotoka nirabahi hatejo na anake agamahanga gumpurebaga nka Somalia agasya kumurwenda cyane na mwarga usiyad bare gataho mu rutaro nabwo kuba abantu bakabatine organizations of social political connection tararkweta mutayo society yo wajime bwo by'ubutegeki bagaruka mu madini gabo na n'inganda zabo now that is a precursor to genocide
ashimina kandi bitwine bye
no banzoni ndo mustaba mwine nyina ngo ibintu reasoning ngo kuzeki kukubiri ebirane basagwa ushemerewe but ezo politics are strong man abantu wangora takwasa kwakurana no waguru bakajya mu mureke kwita abantu ngaha mureke iwe cyo kintu wareba network wagiye mirongoti political parties zo kuteka mirongoti ware mirongoti wagishenya obe no cyumanya ngwiwe oriyo no tebekana zihanga kavuyo kandi kafutwara
thank you John ndashikamo
webare mudo. Number one, I am going to vent my anger to my fellow panelists about Wizareti. Mutukatandika harebere dakika 10 kandi tune kumarasa ate dakika zitu 10 za fabs. Kandi bakagaraka bakamongera izindi dakika zo kujya kusisa. No, I have never come late on the show. So it is very bad. Next time umureza leta mbabasarehe dakika zanye zumwayizira leta tuzugambira number 2
batayimuka ipantaro waguhera
of course leta kamazi bali n'abandi number 2 President Museveni numazuma you came later an hour into the show you are not supposed to be here President Museveni ni ncherezana na commissioner bamwine no bakwesimba today omu DP na singa kavuka president ka Uganda no bakwesimba omu DP President Museveni today no bakwata kadi ya NUP nga presidential candidate still na singa
in fact nuko kwatesimbere na hasi
no bakwesimba wenka na singa abantu bamubunda ngo umuntu limited yo kamutera oba kamutera nyonga mutera commissioner kamutera obya boazi amutera abari hakamera bona bakamutera hatu ya makanisa no na hande nuko so ito tukusaba uko nyoni nyenda oba MP bwanjye nyenda kachiko kakosase nitwenda ngo Museveni bwara singa ite twije nga leader of opposition nga government in waiting ikaba PLU
aturukendera
n'ukusuru wazese pakanya
nyenda kushaba bakutureba umwaka ukwija by the nomination ya president no kwikumi next year umwaka ukwija gwana no gubiyo butegeke campaigns gwana
baradisi bali mbaramuza amaporote
ikindi kushaba abatezi b'ubururu
bakora ki
mwege kutera karuru keza
baramuze bibanza
aboko arenga hande ngozona kabe kansara kabe chairman Yosifa tera umwebembezi okurenga nabasa kuteka teka ari Uganda kandi akakuteka teka woni ngomutezi wa karuru mu services konka hora akome kutera karuru akuba bakuhereza ka soda ka garaji no twije kuma kureta abebembezi abatini cyo kuzayambihanga
Jona iri
na soda information to kugenda okay baradisi bona bali no barambura amataka baserra bagugura
muze eka ya hotel kampuzi nayo umeza mu cyonje tugamira
shuru
tena kwa bazaje ngitu natamba Edward Okoroga tungamo babare umwami wagaba Moses yawitu babare tunawe John nasha ibintu bindi yahinze cyangwa cyapanga bakosa se toba tungere bendera NRM
tanyo zona ina ito tinja kwa bile bendera yitu
cyuki bine cyanyu cyucirashe kikabona nangwa na kansa abantu bacyangira kimwe
president Paul Kagame ite tunishongana nkawuganije
nkamushabira karuru
ibyo ngativi tukakamushabira tunishongana
ukari mubona mugamba
kana
numagaye numakomda
campaigning abo kubatinyine ndije
ebiti biteekateko bya TVG kureka